this is our second drink that we're making for tonight. And the thing is that this is actually one of my favorite drinks, and I just put a little twist on it for the holiday season. So let me tell you how it all started with chocolate martinis. Chocolate martinis is one of my favorite drinks. It's actually my signature drink. I brought that over from Chocolate Radio that I had with Sirius Radio. But the thing is that every guest that came on loved the drink, but as well as all of our friends. So every party that I went to, whatever, they always wanted me to bring their ingredients for our chocolate martini. So let's go back 7 years ago. 7 years ago, I was turning 40 as well as I was pregnant. So I fused my 40th birthday as well as a baby shower all together, and I called it my white affair. So I said, how can I have a party, an all white affair, and I'm not having my chocolate martini as my signature drink? So I said, well, I can't have the chocolate martini when I'm asking everybody to come to my party in all white, right? Correct, right. So me and my team did a research, and we Googled and tried to find some really nice ingredients for a chocolate martini, and wham bam, we got it. And I mean, it was a hit all around the board. So I said, okay, so for our next Christmas party, how can we do to put a twist on it and make it very festive? Peppermint. Yes, peppermint. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my signature drink, white chocolate martini with a twist of peppermint. Yes, so again, remember, we're putting a sexy on it. So what is it, guys? It is our sexy white chocolate martini with a peppermint twist. You guys ready? All right, let's go. So here are the ingredients. All right, we're gonna be using vanilla vodka. Again, we're gonna be using Godiva white chocolate liqueur, peppermint snap, half and half. We're gonna do crushed peppermint sticks, as well as syrup. And we're gonna make this drink. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. All right, so we're gonna start off with 4 ounces of Godiva white liqueur. One, 2, 3, 4. Remember, this is a double serving. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do our peppermint snap. Yes. So really for the one serving, it only counts for 1 part, well, a half an ounce. But for this serving, we're going to do 1 ounce, a complete 1 ounce. All right, so next we have our vanilla vodka. And for our vanilla vodka, it counts for, on a regular, it's just 1 ounce for a regular serving. But since we're doing, again, a double serving, we're gonna do 2 ounces of white vanilla. Oh, and this vanilla smells so good. Oh my goodness. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna add is we're gonna add our half. Now, usually we use this in coffee. Who would have thought that we'd be using this in a drink? All right, so this also calls for a half an ounce. So since we're doing a double, we're gonna use a whole complete ounce. All right, so you guys know what time it is. It is time to shake it up, and I'm gonna need my music. So we're gonna shake it to a chill, yes, and then we're gonna pour. is the sexy white chocolate martini with a peppermint twist. This is good. This is really, really good. Really, really good. Just one taste. Oh my goodness. All right, my sexy people. I want to thank you guys again for coming and meet me here at the Martini Room. Be safe. Have a great holiday. Happy New Year. And remember to always drink responsibly. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I will have all the links below in the description below. If you guys have any comments or anything to add to what I did, or any suggestions of any drinks or martinis that you guys want me to make, please feel free to comment below or email me. As I always say, always keep it sexy. I will see you next week. Again, Happy New Year. Be blessed.